Hello folks, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today I want to talk about a few of my favorite uh, software application stocks. Um, these have done very well historically, and I'm sure they will do very well in the future. The first one is Digital Turbine. The symbol is APPS. So it's about $5 billion company, and its purpose is to simplify content delivery and deliver it directly to your device. So it's doing very well, and 98% of employees approve this CEO Bill Stone. So that's a very good approval rate. Second company is Sprout Social. It's again a social media listening and analytics company, and market cap is about 3.35 billion. And its CUA approval rating is around 99%, which is very good. And the third company is AudioEye. It's again small cap company, as you can see, about 247 million market cap, and it really provides, you can convert any media into accessible format. So if you want to listen to something, you want some different format, you can do it through this app. So 51% approve the CEO here. And the fourth one is Fastly. Fastly is a very good content delivery network. And in the past, you must have seen the news. TikTok was one of the biggest customer, and when TikTok switched to some other platform, they lost a whole bunch of revenue. But now they have diversified, and it's really a good company. It's growing again, and CUA approval rating is 100%, which is a very good thing for this company. Next is Elastic, symbol is ESTC. It's again about mid cap company, $14 billion. And any big organization, they need to cache the data, make sure the data is available for all their internet properties. So Elastic does a very good job at the caching the data and allow easy search of data. 90% of employees approve the CEO, which is a good rating. Next is CALX. It's really around the Unified Access Network. It's about $2 billion company. Next is Trade Desk TTD. It's about $38 billion company. It's into digital advertising. So of late, everybody wants the digital advertising, and this is really, think of this as a third party, neutral third party. So it will kind of work with any of these advertising companies. It will advertise on Google or whatever is the actual platform, but it's a broker which is a really neutral third party. And 92% approve the CEO here, which is a good number. Next is DocuSign. It's a bigger company. I'm sure you must have heard this company. And this company really helps to sign any documentation and manage it, be it mortgage or any agreement, lease agreement, loan agreement, whatever it is. And 98% of the employees approve the CEO here. And last but not least, Bill.com, again a $10.5 billion company, and it really helps any small business to automate their accounting and back office. And 86% of the employees approve the CEO, Rene. So with this, let's dive into a little bit fundamentals of these companies, and that'll explain you why I like these companies. With that, um, let's look at these companies here. I highlighted the ones I covered, but all these are good companies. First two are into Bitcoin. These two companies I would watch out. Whenever Bitcoin falls, these companies also will fall from a pricing perspective. So I think it's good to nibble those. Whenever stock slides, first two companies have got wild gyration in their stock price. So watch out, keep nibbling when they come down in the price. A digital turbine, as you can see here, very good revenue growth, 116%, and very good gross margin, about 41%. So that's why it's one of the good companies. And AudioEye, you can see the revenue growth around 92%, and gross margin is also very healthy. And same story with Fastly, revenue growth 41% and gross margin 58%. CALX, it's also, if you look at the revenue growth 31, gross margin 47. DocuSign, this is one of the famous companies, 53% revenue growth and 74% gross margin. And Sprout Social, again, as you can see here, healthy, revenue growth and very good gross margin here. And Trade Desk, this is the advertising play that we talked about, very good revenue growth as well as gross margin. And Bill.com, same story, 31% revenue growth and 75% gross margin. Elastics, again, a very good growth company. And we missed one company. It's the Luminar Tech. It's into this whole autonomous driving technology, and it's again doing very well. And these autonomous driving technologies, as you know, they can go up and down very rapidly. So just watch out. So with that, let's look at performance of these companies last 1 year. So if you look at the performance last year, um, so if you look at performance 1 year, Bit Digital, with all the news in the Bitcoin market, the way Bitcoin really went up, these two companies have done very well. It's really around Bitcoin play. Digital Turbine is the third one. It's again a very good company. Deliver the content to any device. They did very well, and they have been doing very well. Year to date, which is just a month, and half year, quarter year. As you can see, they have done consistently well. And AudioEye, same story. Very healthy companies. And if you look at market cap of some of these companies, like Bit Digital or Riot blockchain, very low market cap. And if you see some of these Intrusion and Calix, many of these are very small market cap. I would buy this and put it away, so that way it will consistently grow as you go forward. Don't need to buy all at once. Just nibble them, stock it away. And some of these bigger companies, for example, Shopify or Elastic, these could be a very good play. You can buy either a Delta 70 call option or even a call spread, so that way you can work through them. Especially, I love companies like Shopify and Trade Desk (TTD), because these go up and down so much. You can really play very well with the options. When they go down, buy a option spread. When they go up, sell the option spread. Could be good play, especially for these volatile stocks like Trade Desk and Shopify. And stamps.com, you got to watch out, because this has got wild gyrations around, especially quarterly earnings. Sometimes postal departments will not have agreement with this company, especially stamps.com. Stock will one day it will drop down by 50%. So you got to watch out a little bit, but overall it has done very well. So with that, this is really a summary of software application stocks. Hope you enjoyed, and happy trading. Thank you.